welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to walk through how to apply an online e-visa for Ivory Coast. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you I have opened this Ivory Coast official website. Here, as you can see, they have provided information that in 3 steps you can obtain e-visa. First is to do pre-registration and payment, means you apply along with uploading documents. Second is they are going to process and send you the letter, DST response. Third is like when you reach to the airport, you do the enrollment. Okay, so we'll start application here. Registration. Okay, so Ivory Coast valid for 3 months, deliverance on the airport. This is the fee. Next step, personal info. Okay, now you see it has gone to the next stage. Gender, first name, last name, date of birth, country at birth, place of birth, nationality of birth, current nationality, marital status. So I'm gonna fill this and then I'm gonna see you guys, and whatever information I put is gonna be sample. So I have selected the sample information. You do as per your own case, and every information you put verify at least 2 times. Next is next step, additional info. Okay, additional, your private address, city, country, email. Confirm your email, it's very important. Okay, verification code, telephone, profession. So what happens, like you put your email, then click on verify email, then it sends, you put your email in both boxes, click on verify email, then it sends a code, and that code you need to put to proceed. So I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna see. Okay, so the next step is travel info, where you have to put your passport number, issuing country, expiration date, pickup location, reason of travel, arrival date, date of return. Yeah, these documents are mandatory. Passport, travel reservation, hotel reservation. Do you agree not to accept any job? Yes. I accept terms and condition. Okay, and it's better to read. Yes. Okay, in the next step you need to put some contact info, where you're gonna stay and all, and then you're gonna proceed for the payment. Okay, the airport location, pickup location is gonna be this one, where you're gonna enrollment, airport, Abidjan. Okay, another information like your passport information, date of travel, reason for travel. I select holiday, whatever is applicable in your case, and then you can do this. So that's how simple it is, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.